different box from the usual Sailor that I've experienced. So this is very translucent. This reminds me of fluorite, some type of crystal. This translucent body here really appeals to me, but most importantly, I have been experimenting with the Sailor Nibs, and this looked like a smaller nib, like I don't mean in terms of thickness and broadness and thinness of nib, but in terms of the actual size itself. This feels smaller, so I'm thinking this is Pro Gear Slim. There it is. I have a medium fine. I have a hard medium. I've never had a hard medium fine. So this is, don't believe this is leather. I don't believe so. I think this is synthetic. I prefer my own case anyway, but of course much appreciated. And this is, I believe this is a shop in Japan, and I believe they are on Instagram. So I'll post their social media down below. I'm not affiliated with them or with Sailor in any way. I'm just trying to find where it says anywhere. Nope, nothing. Is it on the pen? So, and judging from the size, it's a Pro Gear Slim. But I think the nib says, sorry for my dry hand. It tend to be 14 for the slim range and 21 for the full size. No, it's 21. It's 21 karat. Yeah, HMF it says, hard, medium, fine. There it is, people. I will be back with a review, and I'll ink it. I have 8 pens inked at the moment, and I'm palpitating with anxiety, so I will post a video on those inks, on those 8 inked ones, and that way I can ink new pens and try them and make comparison between medium fine, medium, hard, medium fine, and all the rest of them. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there.